In this video, I'm going to experiment on my birds, Charlie and Mittu, especially this yellow guy, Mittu boy. What will happen is, as soon as I turn the vacuum cleaner on, he will fly off to his cage and he will start having a bath or shower where the water bowl is there. So he will dip his face inside the water bowl and will start having the shower. So let's have a look what happens. So here is the vacuum cleaner. What I'll do is just simply turn the vacuum cleaner on. I know it's a little bit noisy, but that's what we have to do it. So let's see what happens. I'm just keeping an eye on my birds. Now they are on stand. We fly off on the cage. I don't know, something in the vacuum cleaner's noise triggers their activity, their mind. It says that noise says to their mind that it's a shower time and they're supposed to have a shower. So every time I start cleaning up in house, what they do is they just straight away fly off into their cage and start dipping their face inside the water bowl and start having the shower and spread their wings around like this, and they enjoy. I don't know, it's something is wrong or right, I'm not sure, but this is the strange activities I have ever seen with my birds, and I always enjoy this kind of activity with my birds, watching this kind of activities. Let's see what happens with the Charlie boy. Now Charlie entered into the cage and he will fight with Mittu maybe because he also in the mood to have some water bath, but because Mittu is in the position, he will not allow the Charlie to come around because Charlie is always afraid of Mittu, especially when both are inside the cage, because especially around the water bowl, because Mittu believes water bowl is just allocated for him. Now Charlie is walking around nearby the water bowl, but no use, so he feels like maybe later he will try once the Mittu boy completes his shower or bath, whatever. And this is literally so much fun watching these guys having this kind of stuff. Vacuum cleaner is still on, so let me turn on the vacuum cleaner and see what happens. Now there is no vacuum cleaner noise now, but still they are in mood. But see, as soon as the vacuum cleaner noise gone off, this Mittu stopped his bath. Maybe he will try once more, but not much. See, his activity is slowed down and he is not doing that much compared to before. Now let me turn the vacuum cleaner again, and what happens, let's have a look. as soon as I turn the vacuum cleaner on, the Mittu's activity gone boosted so high, and now he's putting his head inside the water bowl quite frequently. Before, as soon as the vacuum cleaner was off, he was dipping his head just maybe once in 30 seconds, but now once in every 5 seconds he just dips. Now he's sneezing. Charlie also wants to have a shower, but I think it's not his time, because Mittu is on his place and he won't allow Charlie to come inside and have a good bath. Now again, let me turn the vacuum cleaner off, and this time is finally I'm gonna clean it off. Mittu's also wings are back to normal, and Mittu is going away now. Looks like he had enough. And now if I put the Charlie inside the cage, oh, he is. This pattern is quite amazing, and I hope you enjoy watching this video, guys. Thanks for watching. I feel very, very thankful that you are keep watching my videos and coming back to this channel, and like to watch my birds all the time. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and I will gonna keep uploading videos again and again on this channel. See you next time. Bye bye.